good. I'm almost done with this.
It's good, right? Hey, it's Armando here, and today I am back with another edition in our Try Something New series. Today I'm going to be trying to make this sort of molten chocolate lava cake brownie mix sort of thing. I don't know how it's going to turn out. So it's supposed to be lower calorie, higher protein. It looks delicious. Hopefully it's going to turn out good. I have 60 grams of chocolate protein powder. I've got 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder. I've got a tablespoon of granulated white sugar. I have a teaspoon of baking powder. And I have 2 tablespoons of this zero sugar Jello chocolate pudding mix. I'm also going to be putting a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and I have some chocolate chips weighed out to sprinkle on top before I put it into the oven. I'm going to be baking this at around 350 degrees from anywhere between 4 to 8 minutes. Generally, less time it's going to be more on the gooey side, more time it's going to be more baked cake-like. So I'm going to go somewhere in the middle. So around 6 minutes I'm going to do. Hopefully it turns out well. I'm excited. I'm craving sugar. This cut has me fiending like no other. I want sugar. Hopefully this helps that. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is mix all the dry ingredients together in this bowl. So here's my chocolate protein powder, cocoa powder, the pudding mix, the sugar and baking powder, and we are going to whisk these up together. We want these dry ingredients to be pretty evenly mixed and well incorporated. Okay, our dry ingredients are now mixed well. I'm gonna add the wet ingredients. Got 2/3 cup of almond milk. And I'm adding 1 teaspoon of this vanilla extract. I'm now gonna whisk this all together until we have our cake batter. And here is the cake batter. This is the consistency I'm excited for. All right, I am going to split this. I'm gonna split this evenly in between these 2 separate stones that I could bake in. I have these pre-sprayed with some cooking spray. So I'm gonna make 2 of these cakes. Each of these is gonna be about 155 calories with 3 grams of fat, 10 grams of carbs, and 22 grams of protein. Okay, now that I have the cake split between 2 vessels, I'm gonna take the chocolate chips and just put a little bit on top of each of them. Time to put these in the oven at 350 degrees for 6 minutes. Here they are, fresh out of the oven. So we got a little bit of the cake-like baking around the edges, and it still looks a little liquidy in the middle, which is what I was going for. So you give it that lava melted cake texture, but still some cake, enough cake for you to feel like you're not just eating batter. Hopefully Christina likes it, but I'm gonna fucking love it. Chocolate, 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 chocolate. Chocolate, 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 chocolate. All right, taste test coming up. All right, we're here with Christina now. We're gonna do a taste test.
Yes, excited.
Yes. So I said I was gonna bake it for 6 minutes. I went a little bit longer. I went up to 8 minutes just to get a little bit more of the cake. Now, I probably would have liked to have done more to get more cake because this consistency is looking more like pudding. But now just knowing that it's basically pudding with some cake pieces, I'm still excited to try it. It's gonna taste the same, just different consistency.
I'm excited.
I hope you like it.
That's fine.
I know I'm gonna like it.
That's good.
Ooey
That's
gooey
good.
chocolate mess in a good way. I mean, it definitely tastes like chocolate protein powder, but
I don't mind it though.
so yeah, each of these bowls has approximately 155 calories, 3 grams of fat, 10 grams of carbs, and 22 grams of protein.
Oh my god.
Yeah,
That's a lot
22
of
grams.
protein.
Yeah.
I like it. It's good.
Yeah, get a little bit of pudding, scoop some of the cake off the edge. That's a good time. This is great for like my chocolate craving.
Yes, that's what I was just gonna say. This is the spot fulfills my chocolate craving that I always have every day.
Yes, and being on a cut, there's not that many calories to really impede, and you're getting a lot of protein, so it's like having a protein shake.
Pretty good.
I definitely recommend this one. I'm gonna be doing this again. It was easy.
Yep.
Well, thanks for watching. Cheers. Try something new. Did you try that bite?
That's good. I'm almost done with this.
It's good, right?
Mm-hmm. Probably cut most of that. Slight conversation.
Oh, I'm still recording. Whoops. I just wanted to eat that.
I know. Yummy, my tummy.